It's so cold today. I think I need something. I had an idea. Hot chocolate. It's delicious and I can show you how to do it. Do you want to know? For this recipe, you need 1 cup of cream, 2 cups of milk, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder without sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now you mix the milk, the cocoa powder, and the sugar. Ask for help to mix it on the stove. Mix very well until it starts boiling. When it's done, you can add the cream very gently out of the stove. Mix very well again until it gets really creamy. Now pour it in your favorite mug and it's ready to drink.